Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, 22nd of May 2019. Starting off with the pound, don't see big range yesterday. Well, say big range compared to the previous days. Over 100 pip range there. And the reason for this was this. Yesterday, May spoke, but I don't think it went down too brilliantly, according to as it says here, PM offers a second referendum vote, fails to win over MPs. A bit of a waste of time, frankly, but the pound liked it initially. You can see here just after or towards the end of the main trading session, the market shooting up and then ending up right back where it started, or 76% of the move. So the pound not impressed, probably because she's not going to get this vote through again, and now below the 76% retracement, the 200 bar moving average, and the DP level as well. So pound still on the short side, awaiting events, Euro elections tomorrow, and also moving into the beginning of June. I think she's got this second vote. So the pound short in the bigger time frame. Bit of activity yesterday. Wait to see what narratives and news comes out today to move the markets, because that's the only thing that is moving the markets at the moment is the narratives, not the economic data, as used to be the case. And it's all about politics and narratives. So the Dow up yesterday as well. A bit of a triangle pattern going on here at the moment. Generally, the market would break to the upside in this situation. Just redraw that. It would normally break to the upside there. And given that the implied volatility is also now down to 14, which is below the 50% retracement from this low to this high, there's a likelihood that we could see prices have another run to the upside in this market at this time. Of course, you can't say that it won't move lower, but at the moment it's looking like there's more chance of the upside. News today, we've got the CPI from the UK. This is apparently forecast to rise. Trouble is it's believing any of this. And then this evening we've got the FOMC meeting minutes, which I'd completely forgotten about at the beginning of the week. So 7 p.m. they've got these being released as well. So we'll see what happens. Watch the pound then with the inflation figures out at 9:30. Where's the RPI? It seems as if that one's been taken off. But, very strange. Got PPI. So at 9:30 and 7 p.m. for the Dow later this evening there. And then finally in Bitcoin, this is also in a bit of a triangular pattern as well at the moment. That sort of ascending triangle shape. Again, poised, as generally is the case with an ascending triangle formation, the prices break out to the upside there. Yesterday, the market trading up to the 200 bar moving average, eventually breaking through, and then was hit by selling. You can see a lot of selling here as the market then switched and moved lower. And you can see again how the market came off the lows with the volume in this bar, just there, and then the market's tested and then moves to the upside to 76% retracement, which you'll see from this high to this low. The market comes back through and then starts to trade sideways until eventually we moved higher in the afternoon. So not too bad of a range, but certainly quietening down a bit, as you can see from the daily chart. We've got inside bar, so we need to break out one way or the other to get the activity picking up here once more. And the other thing to keep an eye on, Deutsche Bank. We're seeing new lows being made in this. Watch the 658 because this is an all-time low. It breaches the 673, I think it was, down here. Let's have a look. in the right place, 675. So watch this for a new low. We've had 658, and according to Greg Hunter's interview this morning with Charles Nenner, they were talking about this, and they say watch the 640 level, or Charles Nenner is saying this is one of his cycle lows for this market, and things could kick off. So keep an eye on this one just to see what happens going forward, because they are sitting on something in the region of 50 trillion of derivatives, and if anything happens to Deutsche Bank, then the whole system is going to have a bit of a problem, to say the least, because these derivatives will have been laid off around all of the other banks as well. So keep an eye on this. 665 yesterday, but we did have a low of 658, which you can see there. Okay, that will do it for this one. If there is anything else to report, I will let you know, but keep an eye on the pound at 9:30 and also the Dow at 7 p.m. And with that, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.